Covid-19 hat eine große Negativwirkung auf unsere Partnerschaftsarbeit mit unseren globalen Studienpartnern, besonders weil zurzeit konnte man nicht in Süden verreisen, um die Projekte, die wir vorhaben, durchzuführen. Und wir mussten erstmal warten, bis dieser Shutdown wieder die Flughafen und die anderen Aktivitäten wieder anfangen, bevor wir etwas machen können. Die positive Wirkung von der Covid-19 ist, dass wir konnten dann unseren globalen Partner ein bisschen verhelfen, mit audiovisueller Technologie umzugehen, in das den restlichen Projekte, die wir vor Ort im Süden haben, konnten wir nur durch visuelle Medien das durchführen. So für die andere Wirkung, die unser Partner, diese Covid-19 auf unsere Partner haben, hören Sie selber, was die Südpartner selber sagen.
I'm very delighted to share my own view concerning the coronavirus pandemic and the negative impact it has caused on my association, my community, and my country. This deadly virus has slowed down all businesses. People don't even have food to eat, talk less of having money to buy hand sanitizer and face masks. Students have dropped from school. They are idling in their house. They move up and down in their house and engage in malpractices, such as the drinking of alcohol excessively, smoking of cigarette and other illicit drugs, prostitution, etc., etc. All the businesses that were arranged to be carried out by our foreign partners, everything has crumbled. Besides that, my association is also experiencing a positive impact as a result of this coronavirus pandemic, in the sense that this pandemic has allowed our voices to be heard with the traditional healers. This pandemic has allowed our voices to be heard nationally and internationally.
The government has implemented certain measures to cut down the spread of COVID-19, like compulsory wearing of face masks, the closure of business premises, and people are asked to stay in their homes. Schools are not functioning. Markets are also closed. Churches are also closed. I think PHELP has also done a good job by placing a 150-liter bucket tap that the community, the patients and PHELP members, they wash their hands, then apply hand sanitizers. They are also sensitized about the dangers of the disease and to respect social distancing. Activities and are moving. Also, most of the taxis that were carrying full passengers, they now carry back, one in front and two behind, while buses have also reduced their passengers. And also, if you follow the news in Cameroon, you see that the budget of Cameroon has also been reduced, at least to fight COVID-19, which is also a demerit for the country. So now the economy also, I think the textile industry has also benefited somehow, because most of these hand sanitizers are being produced by the textile industry. And I think that has also generated a bit of income to the industry.
Le Covid-19 est arrivé au Cameroun il y a cela 3 mois. Sur le compte de Accent Cameroun, ça nous a freiné les activités. Nous avons toutes nos activités qui ont été freinées et on n'a pas pu suivre les entraînements convenablement comme le programme était prescrit. Nous avons manqué à beaucoup de choses et sur le plan négatif, nous n'avons pas pu regrouper tous les enfants. Nous n'avons pas assez de moyens également pour entretenir l'aire de jeu. Nous n'avons pas les moyens pour le matériel et beaucoup d'autres choses. Mais car cela dit, le Covid-19 nous a quand même présenté des points positifs, si on peut dire ainsi. C'est certaines familles qui ont pu se regrouper, les enfants et les parents, avoir un bon bout de temps ensemble, parce que ça faisait bien longtemps qu'ils ne causaient plus ensemble. Mais nous avons surtout beaucoup eu de peine sur le plan international à travers Perspective Cameroun-Allemagne que nous avons invité ici pendant notre période de compétition et qui n'a pas pu venir à cause du Covid-19. Et ça a été un grand manquement pour nous parce que nous espérions à travers Perspective Cameroun avoir certains avantages pour l'évolution du baseball et du softball au Cameroun.
The state of coronavirus in our environment is about 65 positive cases and about 3 deaths and few recoveries. Environment. New Camp Creative Arts, we train people in music, in different areas of music, instruments and composition. And then we also train people in paintings, doing different paintings to perfect their lives. We do the paintings, but we lack marketing, so that's why we are praying that we can have people that we can work with so that they can be doing the marketing, so that our painting and the music, those that we train and we do the recording so that they can go international.
We have some negative effect that it has played in the community. One, the prices of basic commodities like rice, sugar, and other household products have increased in the market. And secondly, most of our shops have closed down. Thirdly, our children who were schooling in urban cities have come back home because the schools have been. For instance, Perspective Cameroun helped the community with the pipe-borne water. And after the water project, they were supposed to do extensions into other homes around. Unfortunately, because of the COVID-19, the extension cannot be done. We also have a component of repairing broken pipes, but Perspective Cameroun cannot come around to repair this pipe. Also, there was a project envisaged by Perspective to protect the catchment area so the water can be sustainable. But unfortunately, the catchment has been abandoned to the mercy of God. We just hope that by the grace of God, this pandemic will subside and things will come back to normal.